Welcome back to Pace Immigration, paceimmigration.com, talking with Director of Immigration Jim Metcalf. Jim, the Quebec immigration program or investor immigration program and the entrepreneur program, getting a lot of interest in that because it's pretty much the only game in town right now for investors to come to Canada. Give us a rundown of the investor immigration program.
Well, Quebec is open for business. They're launching a new lottery for investor applicants this fall. They'll be accepting some 1,750 applicants as a result of a lottery. Individuals will have to file their applications, a simplified application with a certain level of documentation, and probably in October they will draw the successful applicants. In the last one, there were over 5,000 applicants, and 1,750 were chosen.
Wow.
So it's an interesting program. It's an interesting approach.
Yeah, and what were the numbers on that? The $1.6 million figure and things like that?
An individual has to have a personal net worth, and I stress personal net worth, not company net worth, but something that they own personally, which is property, stocks and bonds, cash and bank. $1.6 million Canadian, and they must be prepared to invest $800,000 with the Quebec government, and that can be done in two ways, either a straight cash investment through Investissement Quebec, or through a financial intermediary. They are able to borrow the money, and the financial intermediary will advance the money, and the current rate is $220,000. It's a walk away. So
Okay.
you take your loan, you put your $220,000 with the financial intermediary, and you're granted permanent residence, and you've walked away from your money.
Okay. No language requirement on that one.
No
right?
language requirement. Obviously, it helps if you speak English or French, but absolutely no obligatory language requirement.
Okay. And what about this entrepreneur program that I keep seeing online?
Quebec Entrepreneur Program is sort of been always in the background in Quebec, but it's because Quebec realizes that a large number of small and independent business persons are desirous of selling their businesses and retiring. They've opened the program to include people who are making active purchases of businesses and intend to run them.
Okay.
Currently there's a quota of 500 places in Quebec for that type of applications. It's not a large number, but they're taking people who have good solid business plans and good solid business experiences, or are prepared to purchase an existing business in Quebec.
Excellent. So there you go, the Quebec Investor Immigration Program and the Quebec Entrepreneur Program. If you need more information about that, get in touch with the expert right here, Jim Metcalf at pacelawfirm.com. Bye-bye.